The Inspector 920 can now clear the Philips Lite-Centry fault light with the appropriate update. Under normal operation, the Philips Lite-Centry will blink when it detects a light out or after a short has been corrected. Here we're going to demonstrate a light bulb burning out. And there we see that the fault is detected. A current drop under 21.1 milliamps will not be detected. And current increases will not generate a fault. Notice that the fault light is still blinking even after the fault has been corrected. The Lite-Centry will not detect a circuit-to-circuit short while the short is present. Once the short is corrected, it will indicate the error. Additionally, the Lite-Centry will not detect an open on the auxiliary line. In order to reset the Philips Lite-Centry on the 920, press the button right above the mute button. Use the yellow up key to select Reset Philips Lite-Centry and click Select. The tester will automatically go through the reset sequence. Once the ABS and brake lights turn off, the reset is complete. When the Lite-Centry is installed on a trailer, Lite-Check's Inspector 920 will not detect an open circuit on auxiliary at this time. This is because there is a slight power draw on the auxiliary and tail lines. So likewise, an open on the tail light will not be detected either. Unless there's an open on the auxiliary line, the ABS will still operate normally. Additionally, an open ground on the trailer will show an all-circuit short on the inspector. Future updates should resolve these behaviors.